Welcome to The Wildlife Kingdom, a captivating series dedicated to exploring the wonders of nature and its untamed beauty. In this journey through the natural world, we delve into the intricate and diverse ecosystems, showcasing the wild and extraordinary inhabitants that make our planet a truly remarkable and awe-inspiring place. Join us as we unveil the mysteries, observe the behaviors, and marvel at the incredible adaptations of the flora and fauna that inhabit the wildlife kingdom. Today, we will be learning about the fascinating world of the Arctic wolf, a remarkable creature that thrives in one of Earth's most extreme environments. As we delve into the life of this majestic animal, we will explore the unique adaptations and behaviors that enable it to survive and flourish in the harsh Arctic climate. From their thick, insulating fur and acute sensory abilities to their complex social structures and hunting strategies, every aspect of the Arctic wolf's existence is a testament to nature's incredible ability to adapt and thrive. We will also uncover their crucial role in the Arctic ecosystem, where they help maintain the delicate balance of life. By learning about the Arctic wolf, we not only gain insight into this extraordinary species, but also deepen our understanding of the broader environmental challenges facing the Arctic region. Join us as we embark on this enlightening journey to appreciate and marvel at the resilience and beauty of the Arctic wolf. Fact number 1. The Arctic wolf, a remarkable subspecies of the grey wolf, is specially adapted to thrive in some of the planet's most extreme conditions. Primarily found in the Arctic regions of North America and parts of Greenland, their habitat is characterized by a landscape blanketed in snow and ice for most of the year, with temperatures often plummeting well below freezing. This environment, harsh and unforgiving, has shaped every aspect of the Arctic wolf's physiology and behavior. One of the most distinctive adaptations of the Arctic wolf is its fur. They possess a dense, thick coat that is predominantly white, blending seamlessly with the snow and ice of their environment. This not only provides excellent camouflage, but also serves as a critical insulator against the cold. The fur is made up of 2 layers: a soft, dense undercoat that traps air and body heat, and a longer, water-resistant outer coat. This dual-layered fur system is essential for survival in the Arctic's extreme temperatures, which can drop as low as -50 degrees Celsius, 58 degree F. Furthermore, the coloration of their fur serves a dual purpose. It provides the wolves with camouflage, which is vital for hunting and evading detection. The white coat allows them to blend in with their snowy surroundings, making it easier for them to approach prey undetected or to remain hidden from potential threats. In addition to their specialized fur, Arctic wolves have other physical adaptations to the cold. Their body size tends to be larger than other wolf subspecies, a characteristic that follows Bergmann's rule, where larger body sizes are favored in colder climates due to their lower surface area to volume ratio, which reduces heat loss. Their ears are smaller and more rounded compared to other wolf species, minimizing the amount of body heat lost to the cold air. Similarly, their muzzles and legs are shorter, reducing exposure to the frigid environment. These adaptations not only allow the Arctic wolf to survive, but to thrive in one of the world's most extreme environments. Their ability to endure the Arctic's severe cold, combined with their physical attributes for stealth and endurance, makes them a formidable predator and a key species in their ecosystem. Fact number 2. The diet of the Arctic wolf is a critical aspect of its survival in the harsh Arctic environment. These wolves have adapted to feed primarily on a few key species, namely Arctic hares, muskoxen, and caribou, each of which plays a significant role in the wolf's nutritional ecology. Arctic hares are an important food source, particularly when larger prey is scarce. These hares, adapted to the Arctic climate themselves, are smaller and quicker, providing the wolves with a challenging but often necessary hunt. The hares are abundant and reproduce quickly, making them a reliable source of food throughout the year. Muskoxen, on the other hand, present a different kind of challenge. These large, sturdy animals are well adapted to the Arctic environment and can be formidable opponents with their strong horns and protective group behavior. Hunting muskoxen requires a coordinated effort from the wolf pack, utilizing their strength and strategic hunting skills. The reward, however, is substantial, as muskoxen provide a rich source of fat and protein, crucial for the wolves' survival in the extreme cold. Caribou are another primary prey for Arctic wolves. These large migratory animals are an essential part of the wolves' diet, particularly for packs that follow the herds during their seasonal migrations. Caribou are a significant source of food due to their size, and their migratory patterns can influence the movement and behavior of wolf packs. The ability to hunt and take down caribou is a testament to the Arctic wolf's endurance and hunting prowess. The diet of the Arctic wolf reflects the challenges of living in a frigid, often barren landscape. By preying on these specific animals, the wolves not only ensure their own survival, but also play a crucial role in the balance of the Arctic ecosystem. Their hunting practices help regulate prey populations, and the remains of their meals provide food for a host of other Arctic creatures, demonstrating the interconnected nature of this ecosystem. Fact number 3. In the challenging environment of the Arctic, the reproductive habits and lifespan of Arctic wolves are key factors in their survival and the continuation of the species. Reproduction in Arctic wolves follows a seasonal pattern, typically aligning with the Arctic's harsh climate conditions. These wolves usually breed once a year, with the breeding season generally occurring between January and March. During this time, the alpha male and female of a pack, who are typically the only members to mate, engage in a courtship process that strengthens pair bonds and prepares them for parenthood. After a gestation period of about 63 days, the female gives birth to a litter of puppies, usually comprising 2 to 3 pups, though litters can sometimes be larger. This relatively small litter size is a strategic adaptation to the Arctic environment, where resources are limited and raising too many pups at once could strain the pack's ability to provide. The pups are born blind and deaf, completely dependent on their mother for warmth and nourishment. They are nursed in the den, a secure and sheltered location chosen by the mother. The entire pack plays a role in raising and protecting the young, with other members assisting in hunting and guarding duties. This communal approach to rearing pups ensures a higher survival rate, which is crucial in an environment where the mortality rate can be high due to the harsh conditions. The lifespan of Arctic wolves in the wild typically ranges between 7 to 10 years. This lifespan is influenced by various factors, including availability of prey, environmental conditions, and threats from diseases or injuries. In the wild, the life of an Arctic wolf is filled with challenges, from finding food to maintaining their territory and raising young in an unforgiving landscape. However, their social structure, adaptability, and resilience allow them to overcome these challenges and continue to thrive in one of the world's most extreme environments. The reproductive cycle and lifespan of the Arctic wolf are closely intertwined with the rhythms of their Arctic habitat. Their ability to successfully breed and raise pups in such a challenging environment and their relatively long lifespan in the wild are testaments to their remarkable adaptability and resilience as a species. Fact number 4. Physical features. The most noticeable physical adaptations of the Arctic wolf are its smaller ears and shorter muzzles. These features are crucial for reducing the exposure to the frigid Arctic air. Smaller ears mean less surface area is exposed to the cold, thereby minimizing heat loss. This is an essential adaptation for an animal that lives in a climate where temperatures can plummet far below freezing. Similarly, a shorter muzzle reduces the amount of exposed skin and helps to maintain body heat. These adaptations are prime examples of how the Arctic wolf's physiology is finely tuned to its cold environment. Sensory abilities. Arctic wolves have a highly developed sense of smell, which is vital for their survival. In the vast and often featureless snowy landscapes of the Arctic, visual cues can be limited, making a keen sense of smell essential for locating prey. This ability allows them to detect potential food sources such as Arctic hares, musk oxen, and caribou from great distances, even when they are hidden by snow or difficult terrain. Additionally, their acute olfactory sense plays a crucial role in communication within the pack, helping them to identify members and mark their territory. Endurance. Another remarkable attribute of Arctic wolves is their endurance, particularly evident when they are hunting or migrating. These wolves are capable of covering long distances in their search for food, a necessity in the expansive and often barren Arctic landscape. They can travel several miles a day, often traversing rough and icy terrain. This endurance is also critical during the winter months when prey might be scarce, requiring the wolves to expand their hunting grounds. Furthermore, Arctic wolves may follow migratory prey, such as caribou, requiring them to undertake long and arduous journeys across their Arctic habitat. Together, these physical features and abilities demonstrate the Arctic wolf's extraordinary adaptation to its environment. Smaller ears and shorter muzzles minimize heat loss, a highly developed sense of smell aids in hunting and communication, and exceptional endurance allows them to traverse the vast Arctic wilderness. These traits not only underscore the Arctic wolf's resilience, but also its unique position within the ecosystem of the Arctic. Fact number 5. Role in ecosystem. Arctic wolves are apex predators in their environment, meaning they sit at the top of the food chain. This position gives them a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of their ecosystem. By preying on various species such as Arctic hares, musk oxen, and caribou, they help control these populations, preventing them from becoming too large and overgrazing the vegetation. This predation is essential in the Arctic, where plant life is sparse and slow to regenerate. Furthermore, the hunting activities of Arctic wolves can influence the behavior and distribution of their prey. For instance, their presence can lead to healthier caribou herds, as wolves tend to prey on the weaker or sick individuals. This natural selection process ensures that only the strongest and healthiest caribou reproduce, thus contributing to the overall health of the herd. In addition to controlling prey populations, Arctic wolves also contribute to the broader ecosystem through scavenging. The remains of their kills provide a crucial source of food for other Arctic animals, such as birds and smaller mammals. This role as a provider, albeit indirectly, underscores the interconnected nature of Arctic ecosystems. Unique behavior. Arctic wolves are known for a distinctive behavior that sets them apart from other wolf species, their less fearful nature towards humans. This trait is likely due to their limited exposure to human contact. In the remote and inhospitable regions of the Arctic, human encounters are rare, leading to a lack of inherent fear of humans that is often observed in other wolf species. This absence of fear, however, does not mean that they are friendly towards humans. Rather, they may exhibit a neutral or indifferent behavior when encountering people. This unique behavior is a reflection of their isolated habitat and the lack of negative interactions with humans, which have shaped their responses to human presence. It also highlights the importance of maintaining respectful and non-intrusive practices when studying or observing these remarkable animals in the wild. In summary, the Arctic wolf's role as an apex predator is crucial for the balance and health of the Arctic ecosystem. Their hunting practices control prey populations and influence the behavior of other species, while their unique behavior towards humans is a result of their isolated existence in the vast Arctic wilderness. These aspects of the Arctic wolf not only demonstrate their importance to their environment, but also their distinct adaptation to life in one of the planet's most extreme habitats. Thank you all for your attentive participation and keen interest in our exploration of the Arctic wolf. Today, we have journeyed together through the remarkable life of this resilient and majestic animal, gaining insights into its unique adaptations and vital role within the Arctic ecosystem. We've learned about their thick white fur that insulates them against extreme cold, their smaller ears and shorter muzzles designed to minimize heat loss, and their highly developed sense of smell crucial for survival in the vast Arctic wilderness. We've also discovered how their endurance and pack behavior enable them to be effective hunters, maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystem. Additionally, we touched upon their less common interactions with humans, reflecting their isolated and untouched habitat. Thank you, and until next time.